Well, hi folks, welcome y'all. Larry's Fountain Pen Review, and today I'm going to be reviewing the student pen. And a special thank you to Jean
Sheridan.
Yes, very good. Yes, great memory. Thank you for sending me not one, but two of these pens. One of them will be a giveaway, so you want to keep your ears open when this giveaway is going to start and what you need to do to enter. Very simple. So let's start talking about these pens. Well, they both look the same because they are the same. The only difference is on top of the finial, you see a black dot. Okay. Do I know what that stands for? No, I don't. And I've been looking up the history on these pens, and really you can't find much. Just what I'm about to tell you is all I could find. And at the bottom of the finial, there is just a little stamp on it that says Germany on both. Okay, so right in there. Okay, now the clip tends to be stiff, but let's see how it works on a t-shirt. It goes on with no problem, and it is totally secure. So let me tell you a little bit about the pens. There's not a whole lot of information, but enough information to give you an idea about this pen, and hopefully after I do the writing sample and talk about it, you might be interested. So, look at them, nice blue. They say for sale is a pair of old new blue with white trim German student pens with a fine point rhodium nib. Okay. And it does come with a black cartridge in the barrel. So that's what I read in the description. So there's a little more to it than that, and we'll get to that in a minute. Now, the weight of the pen on ink is going to be 12.3 G's, and the length of these pens capped 5.17 inches, and when you post the pen, it's going to come out to 5.51 inches. So, pull off cap, and it does post securely. And when I'm saying 5.51 inches from the tip of the cap all the way to the bottom of the grip, right in here, it's going to be 5.51 inches. And of course, there's the nib. Not much on there, just iridium point. And of course your feed, and we'll unscrew it, and I put a converter in it. It did come with a cartridge. Okay, black ink came with it, but I'm using the Mont Blanc Ultramarina in here. Now let's look at the other one with the black dot on top. I don't know the reason why there is a black dot on the top of the finial on this one and not on this one. There must be some significance. And what you'll see here is after I uncap it, you're going to see a white grip. It's kind of cool. And this one is a blue grip. Okay? So maybe the black dot on top of the cap refers to a white grip. I'm just guessing. I don't know. Same kind of nib, of course. And this comes with a cartridge. I'm just using a converter. I believe it could be a Gen converter. I'm not sure. Just about any standard cartridge is going to fit the pen. So this is going to be for a giveaway. So now I have been using this pen for a while. Been writing with it religiously. It looks great. It feels great in the hand. This is old new stock. So I'm going to guess here. Could be old new stock from the 70s or 80s. I'm not sure. I'm just guessing. I looked and looked and I really couldn't come up with anything else. And it's called a student pen made in Germany. And I'm guessing that this is what the kids in school used. Okay. So I am going to do a writing sample for you guys. And we're going to see how she writes. But I already can tell you, she writes really sweet. Okay. And that's a fine nib, okay? Okay, and we'll try reverse. And there you have it. Right here, you're going to see, you can get some reverse writing out of it, but it kind of starts to dry out a little bit. And it starts to write about in here. It starts actually in here. You can see how it starts to not get enough ink in there. So, but you still can get a bit of line variation if you're wanting to do so. That's up to the individual. And here's the downstroke, no pressure, and with a bit of pressure you can get a bit of variation, not much, and a cross stroke. Alright, well there you have it. Now, before I go, we're going to start the contest today. If you're interested in winning this one, I'll throw in the other cartridge with it. And you want to go to my Gmail account. And you can email me at my Gmail. And just put me your name and the city and state you live in. And then we'll pick the winner. Tell them how we pick the winner, Mr. Announcer.
Sometimes we use the random number generator on Google, or sometimes we just ask Siri.
Yep, that's how we do it. And it's going to start today. And today is Monday the 19th at 7:17 p.m. Central Time here in Fort Worth, Texas. And this is going to run till Wednesday, 21st. It's going to run out at, I'd say, 5 p.m. So remember that, Mr. Announcer. And we'll come back on here Wednesday and announce the winner, if I don't forget. But anyway, so as soon as you see this video and you're interested, just send me your name, city, and state at my Gmail address and just put in, like, John Doe in Utah, Ukatana in. And that tells me you're in for the game. So, good luck, and let's get going. So, folks, that's going to wrap it up today on Larry's Fountain Pen Review. So, God bless each and every one of you. And I hope you had a fantastic day, my friends. Because over here, we're just grooving with the groove. You know what I'm saying? You got to groove. You just can't sit there like... You got to be cool. You got to be smooth. You know what I'm saying? It's all good, baby. Ain't nothing but a thing. I'll check you later, Gator. Peace and love. And as always, please don't text and drive, baby. Like you're dynamite. Later.